Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian, your friend and confidant, here to help you get back with the one you love, to help you put yourself in a position where you can actually be successful, not just to get back together, but to be in a healthy relationship, a long-term, sustainable relationship with this person that you love and lost. This video is a bit different. It's about the reality that successful breakup recoveries often take time and effort. There are no quick fixes if you want to build a foundation to a healthy, long-lasting relationship. And here with Love Advice TV, with WMBA, we don't want you to buy into quick fixes and gimmicky techniques. We don't want you to take a shortcut. Because if you do so, you're going to end up breaking up very quickly again, or you're going to bang your head against the wall and not be successful. And so the message of this video is to challenge yourself to approach this breakup recovery the right way, to take the long-term approach to building the right foundations to be in a healthy and sustainable relationship. Some of the proudest moments that I've had doing this fantastic work is with clients that have ultimately taken months to get back together with the one they love. And I've seen that sometimes the longer the breakup recovery process, the more sustainable the relationship is long-term, because people have actually invested time and effort in the right places. It doesn't mean that it'll take months for you guys to get back together, but even after you've rekindled and reconnected, I still need you to be in breakup recovery mindset, where you're not taking anything for granted, where you're fighting each and every day to be the best version of you. Obviously, the dynamic changes after you get back together, and fundamentally, you need to not be doing exactly the same things, because the attraction process and the process of being in a healthy relationship are often very different, but you still need to be focused on keeping yourself accountable each and every day, bringing yourself to account to figure out how you did today, what you can work on to be better, how you can show your significant other that you love and value them in a way that makes sense for them, that you are building a common life project together, and that you're investing your time and effort in things that actually matter. Whether you're in this process of breakup recovery or you've gotten back together, these things need to be reflected in your day-to-day action and attitude. I'm not a big fan of what people say. I love to see what they do. And I hope that you can stay accountable to that by investing your time and efforts in continuously becoming this higher, better version of you. And if you miss your significant other to the point where you feel like you can't be happy without them and you need them now back in your life, you're missing the point. You're missing the point. You're in this passionate love that is fleeting and that will make you suffer, quite honestly. I want you to be in a healthy, loving relationship where you value yourself, where you're living with purpose, where you're channeling that love and helping people around you, in your family, in your community, and where you're not just obsessing over a romantic love with one individual that will inevitably be overwhelmed if you continue to give them that much time and intention and thought, because it's too much for one person to bear. And that's not how you create attraction. That's not how you rebuild trust. That's not how you prove to them that you guys can be happy together. You need to channel the love and passion and put it in the right place. And if you take the long-term approach to your breakup recovery, if you're not trying to win your ex back in a week or 2 weeks or a month, but you're doing what you got to do to build a healthy relationship and letting that process happen organically, the odds are that not only you will win them back, but you're going to stay together for a very, very long time. That's why I do what I do. That's why I'm doing this video. And I hope that my words will touch your heart and that it will resonate in how you carry your life and how you carry your breakup recovery process moving forward. Actions and not words, long-term and not short-term. That's what I want you to get from this video. So, if you liked the message, if you felt that it was heartfelt, and if it's going to empower you on your journey, please like my video, fuel our fire. Tell us that Love Advice TV makes a difference in your day-to-day and in your breakup recovery so that we can continue to produce awesome content for you. And we rely on you. You give us purpose. This community fuels our fire. So please continue to do that. If you have questions for me, please ask in the comment section below. Our team will be there to answer every single comment that is posted on our channel. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you. Keep fighting the good fight and see you very soon for another video.